Hello guys, Drago and Darko here, coming at you with another video. We're going to be working on Hekapoo from Star vs. the Forces of Evil. Let's start drawing her ear and the face of her shape, which is basically a round bubble shape, like most of the characters. And Hekapoo has really long lashes. And draw her teeth and her nose, and she reminds me a lot of Marceline from Adventure Time. She's like a Fire Lord Marceline. And her crown has 4 spikes, and then she has these 2 long horns that kind of reside on the side of her crown. She has this long bun of flowy hair, but it bunches up in the where the start of her head is, and then this black tie kind of holds the hair together, and it then gets really big and flowy from then on. But then I'm gonna first draw her arms, and then draw the hair, and then the shape of her lower body. Start drawing her collar for her dress, which kind of looks like fire. A lot of her design is like a fire design. If you look at it and observe it, a lot of the shapes are fire related. Like I said, do the drawing the hair and her heeled boots, which is just like Marceline. It's pretty cool. But yeah, let's go on over to the coloring. Coloring is really simple in this one. Again, I start with flat colors, and then because I want to, I go in and start shading hard shadows with some soft, billowy, round shadows around those hard shadows, just because I didn't really like the flat look. Then I go in, start with a dark color flat for her hair, and then take a big soft round brush and go over that with a brighter red, kind of to how she looks in the original reference. I'll go in and work on the background, similar to the reference I was using with the lightning bolt shaped clouds. I drew these clouds in a variety of sizes in back of her, and then I lock my layer and add a soft highlight to those clouds to make it look like it's blending more into the background instead of just having big blocks of color in back of her. And that is pretty much it for her. It was really simple. There's nothing really to point out in this one. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and like the video. If you want more videos like these, let me know with my request email, which is down in the video description, alongside some other details that's in that description, like my new Facebook page, where you can get exclusive constant updates as to what I'm working on for future videos, or just content for commissioners that I'm working on. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome stuff just like this.